What's up, Jooba people? We are learning Story by Brandie. Amazing song. Let me play it for you, what it's gonna sound like, and then you can see if you would want to learn this. Before I give you the demonstration, you can go to the website, link in the description, to download the PDF that we created. It's got all the chord shapes, all the chord shapes, all the strumming patterns, all the chords and lyrics, everything. So let me just show you. I'm going to be playing this part, and I'm just going to play the first part so you get an idea what it sounds like. So all of these lines across my face tell you a story of why. Some of the stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. These stories don't mean anything. We got no one to tell them to. It's true. I was made for you. Anyway, so really a nice rocking song. Let's learn the song. So if you want to learn the song, you need to know your chords in the key of G. You need to have a capo to put on capo 4th fret, or you can play without a capo, but I'm going to teach it to you with a capo today. Capo 4th fret, and our first chord is going to be a G. Now this G, you can play a regular G like that, or any G that you know, but the G that I'm going to use for this song is the one with the pinky and the 3rd finger. And remember to mute the 5th string. Okay? If you want to know more about these chords, the chords in the key of G, check out the link in the description to learn more chords in the key of G. But this is just going to be an overview quickly. So 4th finger and 3rd finger at the top. Mute the 5th string. And then we're also going to use a G sus4 for the intro. Okay. Very important, just put the 1st finger down there to get the G sus4 and take the 1st finger off to get a regular G. Simple. And then a D7, you can use a regular D, but I like the D7. 1, 2, 3. It's got that nice folky sound. Very nice. Regular D. Okay, simple. E minor. Your regular E minor, trusty E minor. Now this is quite a different type of C that you won't see taught a lot, but I really like it. It's 1st finger, 2nd finger and 3rd finger, and then the pinky on the 2nd string is optional. You could do that or take it off depending on which sound you like more. Or you could just use your regular C at 9 for the C, or you could use your thick C like that, which I don't have a diagram of, but you can, if you know the C chord, you could use it, but otherwise use the other C's, they sound better anyway. And then for the G, you can use this G as well. 3rd finger and 4th finger at the bottom, and 2nd finger at the top. Simple. Mute the 5th string, very important. Oh, we got lovely rain falling right now. It's so beautiful. Okay, so for the intro and for the tag parts, you're going to play G, G sus4. So you're just going to play G. So what I do with the pick is I just go. The string numbers are going to be 6, 4, 2, 3. 6, 4, 2, 3, 6, 4, 2. And then you strum the G sus4. That's it. And sometimes you can play it a little bit sooner. Put the finger down a bit sooner. Okay, but anyway, the main part of the song is going to be this chord progression here. It's going to be G, 1, 2, 2 bars, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2. Okay, that's the main progression. Sorry about that. That's the main progression, and then that's it. There's nothing fancy. Just follow along with the chord sheet that you're gonna see if you download it, and then you can learn the whole song like that. So the original version, they play with capo on the 2nd fret, and they use the A set of chords. Okay, so the main progression is going to be A, and A sus4 is going to be like this: A, and then A sus4, and then the story. F sharp minor, which is a difficult chord, but that's how they play the original. Da, 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 and then A, bum, bum, dee, dum, da, dum, dum, da, dum, da, da, dum, and then A, E, A. You get the idea. So the strumming pattern, simple: down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. The up you can put in wherever you feel fit. So if we go back to the original G, down, 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 down. Have a nice day, guys. Hope you enjoyed learning this lesson. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist you. Have a nice day. Bye.